Oh, it's right behind here, the building. Thank you, Amanda, ma'am.
You're
Bye-bye.
very welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Bye-bye.
Let us know if you need anything.
Yes,
Have a
ma'am.
good day.
You too. Bye-bye. Okay, room 111. We can check in now. Yeah, room 111. Ah. Magpahinga na tayo. Wow. Room 111. Hindi, maganda yung malapit tayo. Pina-check in ako pero 111. Yeah, dito ang ganda oh. Oh. We are now in room 111. What's the name of that? No? St. George's Inn and Suites. Lahat recorded eh. Can you open please?
Room 111.
Yeah. We are now in room 111. You can park right in front oh. Wow. Woo! Wow! Air condition. Ayan, papasok na sila. Thank you very much. Woo! Very nice. This is a very nice place. We are now in room 111 St. George's Hotel and Suites. For a total of $110. Bed, 2 queen bed. Smells good. TV. Microwave. The bathroom. Toilet. Esther, ang ganda, ang bango. No. Ang ganda, no ha? Oh. Wow. Hello. We're now in room 111. Hi May, how are you? Early check-in.
May bakante sila.
Yeah. But you have to pay early. Oh, sit down and if you want to. Ay, it doesn't matter. Ah. Yeah, sit down. Yeah.
Pero parang may gusto sila.
Doon tayo sa dulo, ba't ka na dyan? Dito sila Esther, doon tayo sa dulo, malapit sa bathroom. Yeah, dito sila Esther, doon tayo. Upo ka na doon muna, sila Esther dito.
Ayaw mo malapit sa aircon?
Ha? No, malapit. Gusto ko bathroom, malapit sa bathroom.
Oo, naman lakarin yan ah.
Oh.